Good morning, children. This is Saibal speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter construction that's about practical geometry. So far, we have completed till till question number 2 of exercise 4.5. So, children, here in this video, I'm going to explain about the last two questions of this chapter. That's about question number 3 and question number 4. So, children, as we all know that this is all about construction, so we must have protector, compasses, white copy, ruler, and pencil. These are the basic requirement to do this, like geometrical questions, geometrical constructions. So, children, we are going to deal with question number 3. A rectangle with the adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. We need to construct a rectangle. We need to construct a rectangle with the adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So, children, the very first job is what? We need to take a line segment. I'm just taking a line segment of length suppose 4 centimeter. This is the line segment of 4 centimeter. We need to take accurate measure, exact measure of 4 centimeter, because this is all about like construction. So the line segment should be drawn with accurate measure, with absolute measure. And I will draw one other line segment which is measuring 5 centimeters. Suppose, children, this length of this line segment is 5 centimeter. Okay. So what is our first job, children? I'll just take a line segment around 6 centimeter or 7 centimeter. So I took a line segment. Suppose length of this line segment is 7 centimeter. So now what we have to do, children? We have to take the measure of this line segment 5 centimeter using compasses. Suppose this is my compass. I'll just place the needle over here at this point. Up to this point I'll measure with compasses. Now I'll place at this point. And I'll give one arc like this using compasses only. So, children, how much I have drawn over here? I have taken the length of 5 centimeter. This much is how much? This is 5 centimeter. Children, as we all know that in rectangle, the measure of all the angles are 90 degree. So they haven't told us to draw 90 degree, but they told us to draw rectangle. So we need to understand they're actually talking about 90 degree only. So I'll just take my compass. Suppose this is my compass, children. It's my compass. I'll place it over here. The pencil but I'll take over here, and I'll just simply I'll draw one arc like this. As we all know how to construct 90 degree, children. So after giving the arc like this, with the same measure, I'll place at this point. I'll draw one arc like this. With the same measure, I'll place at this point. I'll give one arc like this. Okay. Now with the very same measure, I'll place my needle of the compass over here. At this vertex, I'll give one arc like this. Again, I'll place the needle of my compass with the very same measure. I'll place here at this point, and I'll give one arc like this. Okay, children. So if I join them right now with this point with this, okay, it will form a rectangle. What will it form? It will form a rectangle. Okay. So just do join them. I have drawn 90 degree perpendicular over here. Okay. Now, children, what we have to do? I'll just take the measure of 4 centimeter. Or we can do it later also. Now, children, place the needle of your compass at this vertex. From here, draw one arc with any measure, but make it a point. We are not supposed to change the measure of compass at all while we are constructing 90 degree. Now I'll place the the needle of the compass at this point. I'll draw one arc like this. At this point, I'll draw one arc like this. Now children, now what we'll have to do, we'll just place the needle of a compass over here. I'll give one arc like this, and I'll place the needle of my compass over here. I'll give one arc like this. What is my next job? My next job is to make them join. I'll just make them join. Okay. Now, children, we will draw the measure of 4 centimeter using compasses. By placing here, we will give one arc on 90-degree line segment. With the very same measure, I'll place the needle of my compass at 90-degree vertex here once again, here at this point, and I'll give one arc like this, and I will just make them join. So once I'm just joining them, what I'm constructing over here, children, this is 90-degree. All the angles are of 90-degree, and automatically it will take a shape of a rectangle, because this angle will also be 90, this angle will also be 90. So this is a construction of a rectangle using very simple process by constructing all the lines, all the opposite line segments of equal measure, and all the angles are of the figure with 90-degree. This is how we can simply construct the figure. All right. Now children, the next question number 4, one of the most conceptual question of this exercise. Parallelogram OKAY. OK is 5.5, so our job is to draw one line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter, where and KA is 4.2 centimeter. Suppose this much is 4.2 centimeter. Now children, what we have to do, we'll just draw a line first of any measure more than 5.5. I can take 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, whatever you feel. Take the measure of this 5.5 using compasses. Measure it with the compasses. Place at this vertex, draw one arc. It's a measure of 5.5 centimeter. Now children, draw any obtuse angle. I prefer I'll draw one acute angle first. So take the measure with your compasses. Place at this vertex. Draw one arc. I'm taking 60-degree. Now make them join. We all know how to construct 60-degree, children. Now take the measure of 4.2 using compasses. Place at this vertex again and give one arc like this. Okay children, now we know the rules of parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are of equal measure, so I'm just doing in that way. What I'll do, I'll just take the measure of this 4.2. I'll place at this vertex. I'll draw one arc like this. Okay, one single arc. I'll just give one single arc like this. Now we'll measure 5.5 using compasses again, and I'll place at this vertex and I'll give one arc like this. Okay, now this meeting point of these two arcs should be joined with this one and with this one. The construction of the parallelogram will be done. My figure is looking a bit congested because I'm not using compass. I'm using a digital board to explain. So this angle was 60-degree. Opposite angle automatically will be 60-degree, and this angle will be 120-degree. Why? Because these two angles are co-inter angles on the same side of transversal. it will be 120, so this angle will also be 120 degree. Sum of all the angles of a parallelogram or any quadrilateral is always 360. So children, I believe this explanation was very simple, very easy. You will try out this construction in your white copy using ruler, compasses, protector, whatever is required, and you will submit this work in the Google Classroom positively. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.